We're back in the backyard again, and we're gonna try to see what these potatoes look like, if we got any at all. But I see something right on top right there. See that red header? I see something right there. So we'll see. Gotta go from a foot away. Let's pop it up in the air. Hopefully we got something down here. I don't know. You never can tell. Oh wow. Look at that. That's a nice one. It's all for one plant so far. Let's see. Oh. Look at this one. That's a double joint one. That's weird looking. Double jointed. Little plant look like. Actually, this one look okay though. Well, I got one right here. I didn't see this potato plant. Let's see this one. Get these out the way. That's a nice size. That's a big. I've never seen a red potato that big before. I mean, I don't think we've been bought one that big before. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. I don't get the carrots either. Mess those up. Hopefully something under this one. This one right here. Look at this. This is the white potato. Oh, that's a small. That's the white potatoes. I see a carrot, but that's not ready yet. See it? Yeah. See how small that one is? I'm not gonna get that one yet. I don't want to disturb that too much. All right, let's keep moving on this way. How many plants came up, I don't know. Hopefully any plants died back, but I'm about to dig this whole area up. Maybe there's something under here too, I don't know. Let's see if anything came up. Did I see something? Yeah, that's a piece of potato right there. Okay, let's pop this one. Oh, yay. Oh, look at this one. Wow. They bigger this year, for sure. Wow. Let's see. All right. Oh, look at this one. Okay, wow. That's cool, man. That's really cool. All right. Got another plant. We got one mixed in with those right there. Let's see. Oh, look at those. Wow. That's amazing. Have you ever seen that big? Oh. We got one plant right next to the carrots right here. I think that's the one that broke. You see it? Right here. Let me see if I can get that one. I'll get my carrots up. There's something right there. Gotta kind of loosen it up. There's a baby on there. That was all going up for that one. That's more than that. But I guess not.
Maybe it wasn't done.
Yeah, that was a small one.
That one doesn't look like it's all the way dry.
It was sent off to the side. looking like. I'm stepping in the mound. Oh. That's a baby. Alright, I got something right. Oh, I'm stepping on something right here. So something was right here. I guess. Let's try what this is. The only thing is about space. Don't be come this way. Don't get all hooked up. Let me take it this way. Something. So I definitely, oh, here's a problem right here. Let's see. So right there. So let's see. Right. It's soft ground though. Wait. It's not bad.
Yeah.
Oh. More red potatoes in the back.
Okay.
Little baby brown ones.
You see them?
Don't worry, I got some more potatoes to go. I'm gonna try on this side now. You always miss one or two. Let me look at one of these carrots. Let's see. I'll pick one out of here. I can smell them too. Smell the carrots. Let's get rid of that. There's a nice one over there. This little bit. I'll pick one of these up.
Wait. Oh, little baby.
There's a little baby carrot. Let's try this one. Oh, that's another nice one.
Okay.
So I'm not gonna pick them yet. I'm gonna let them stay a little longer. I just want to see what they're looking like. So they're looking pretty good. So I got a whole bunch you see right here. Carrots all in this area. Bunches of them right there. There's some nice ones right there. So I'm gonna let those sit. All right, let's get some more potatoes. Let's go around this side. This plant came up by itself. Let's see if it got anything on it. This plant came all the way by itself. I did not plant this one, but let's see if anything underneath it. dig in the ground in a second. Look at these little baby potatoes. These are the little brown ones. Wow. But you can still cook these little things. Let's see if there's anything else in the ground. Nice big plant. Maybe just put more.
It's probably much done.
Huh?
Probably
It was pretty much done. I mean, you know, it was time for it to go anyway. No, I don't really see too much in there. Okay. So, that's that. Let's walk on this side, other side over there. Let's see. Look at this, it's wild. A potato plant. And it's a red potato. And I see another red potato. And I see another red potato. Oh, I like these red potatoes. There's another red potato. There's another red potato. Wow. See? How easy the soil is to dig in. Real soft. Wow, and I didn't even plant these, you know what I'm saying? This is something that just came up on its own. Got another one somewhere, right here. Two potato plants came up on their own. I feel something. I don't want to hurt their skins. Okay. Wow. Excellent. Saw that baby. Oh, that's that. I scratched it. You don't want to scratch it. They say you'll disturb the skin on it, so we got to eat these. But we're gonna let them sit out. I see another one down there. And another one. Look at the roots on these sweet potatoes.
Sweet potatoes.
Mm-hmm. I think that's gonna be about it. But that was pretty good, and they came out bigger than last year for sure.
Yeah.
Nice size ones. Push that ground back over. Remember when last year I put the roots back in the ground? I said, let me try those out. That's where those potatoes came from.
Oh, wow.
Remember when I showed it in the video? I did a video last year where I put this right back in the ground. I dug it up, and that's probably where these potatoes come from. Actually, I'm gonna bury some of this plant so they can root down and grow some more potatoes, sweet potatoes. So these are the sweet potatoes now. They got the area all to themselves. All belongs to them. Move this back over. He was trying to put down roots anyway. Alright, so this is what we got. I picked a couple of carrots as y'all saw. They're decent, right? But I'm gonna give them a couple of more weeks down there. Underground, they're doing pretty good. So that's a nice carrot. But these are good. These are nice sized potatoes in a small space in the backyard. And remember, if you watched the video, I didn't plant full potatoes in the ground. I cut a potato. I cut 5 potatoes, small ones, and I put 20 pieces in the ground. I cut it like this and like this, and I had to put little squares in the ground. So I think that's pretty good. And a couple of potatoes came up, But look at that. That's pretty good. Nice big. Some of them are big. So anyway, again, that's what you can do in a small space, in a little small backyard, and that's a pretty good little harvest right there. And you saw I just had that one little line. So imagine if I had more. I had that little line, and only like maybe what a few plants came up. There wasn't that many plants. Y'all saw how many plants I pulled up. That's just off a few plants. So imagine if I had more room. So anyway, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And I'll catch y'all on the next one. Peace. And I'm out. All right, y'all. So this is the end of the video right here. I just want to show y'all. I picked a few more things out there, and my plants are loaded still. They are still loaded. That's a nice little backyard harvest, and we are still loaded with peppers, bell peppers, jalapenos. They're everywhere. See? So I'm not gonna pick everything. I got the banana peppers, all kind of peppers. You can see the eggplants back there in the back. Look at the eggplants. Eggplants everywhere. New eggplants coming on. Yep. Carrots are still in the ground. More tomatoes coming. So it's been a pretty little good, nice little harvest. All right, that's the end of our potato harvest. Pretty good, y'all. Pretty good. Peace out.